Back in December, I was poking around on YouTube and I came across a video that Emily Noel did on the Too Faced Appley in Love palette, which was released back in the fall. I had no intention of buying this palette, but the look that she created with it was so amazing that I went off in search to see if I could find it, and Sephora had it on sale, and I paid $21.60 for it. It regularly sells for $54. So I was super excited to get it at such a discounted price. Why are we talking about this in March when spring is right around the corner? Because I think we can create a spring look with this fall palette. It has some beautiful shades in it that remind me of spring. So we're going to attempt it and see what happens. Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. I have already put on my lotions and potions and serums and such. I have done my base face. I have primed my eyes and I have tight lined. So we can get right into doing this look. I will have everything that I use linked down below. This palette has 18 beautiful shades in it. I am just dying to use those greens. I do like the tin packaging that Too Faced uses. They can be a little bulky. This has a raised top on it. And the palette does smell like cinnamon and apples. So if you are opposed to putting anything on your eyes that has a fragrance to it, this might be a little bit strong for you. So I think I'm going to start out here with So Snackable, and I'm going to put that in my crease area. And I'm just going to lightly, I always say that, don't I? That I'm going to lightly put that down, and then I end up going way too ham on it. But I don't think Too Faced is quite as pigmented as some of the other brands. So I think that these palettes are a little bit more user-friendly, especially if you are a beginner. Does that look a little patchy? My skin has been very dry because it has been very, very cold here in Missouri. So I don't know. We'll see as we go. That is a very pretty shade. I don't think it's the shadow. I think it's my eyes are quite dry today. My lips too. They were so dry. I used the new City Lips. This is their new plumping oil. And they sent me 2 shades. This is Pink Champagne, which is what I have on. And then they sent Sangria, which is very, very pretty. They're very nice. They're kind of like the nighttime oil, but these are so that you can wear them during the day as well. So as per usual, I went a little ham like I normally do. So now I'm going to go into that beautiful green shade, which is called Pick Me, and I'm going to put that on my lid, almost over to the corner. I'm going to leave a little bit of space there for that other green shade. That's so pretty. I think that this palette has lots of wearable shades in it. Although when I was looking on the Sephora site, they didn't have the palette available anymore. It is available on the Too Faced website, but it's $54. I did see a couple of them on Macari for right around $30, and they were brand new in the box. So now I'm going to go into that lighter green. I'm going to use that same brush, which is a Rephr 02, and I'm going to put that right in the inner corner of my lid. So are y'all ready for spring? March 19th is going to be the first day of spring. I know some people are still getting snow. We got our fair share of snow this year in Missouri. And then a day or so ago, it was in the 70s. The shade names do not bring spring to mind at all. I'm going to go here next into Sparkling Cider and put that here towards the outer edge. And then I'm going to go back into So Snackable and just put that right in the corner. Just kind of put that back a little bit. And now I'm going to take this shade, which is Sweet on You, on a big fluffy brush, that first brush that I used. And I'm just going to use that to kind of blend that first shade out a little bit. And I think I'm going to go here into Apple Sauced and put that right in the outer corner of my lower lid, lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Bite Me, which is the shade here, and put that kind of in the center. And now I'm going to go here into Smitten, and I'm going to use this Rose and Ben E27 and use that in my inner corner as my highlight shade. Oh, that's pretty. And I'm going to pull it down a little bit. So that was super quick and easy. It all blended out very well. Now that everything is on there, that first shade that I put on does not look too intense. Very wearable, very easy. Like I said, very nice for a beginner and if you're not wanting a lot of intense pigment. So I'm going to do my lashes and then we will come back. And I have a brand new lip product that I'm going to show you, so stick around. So there's the lashes done. Did I ever tell y'all that doing lashes is my least favorite part of putting my makeup on? I just do not like the whole lash experience at all. So City Beauty is releasing a brand new product, and it is their Define Liner. And I have the shades Blush and Willow. Very pretty, absolutely Leanna shades. They're releasing these on the 4th of March, and from the 4th through the 9th for the launch, they are giving a discount. So I will have the discount code down in the description box. These are going to retail for $22, but you'll get 20% off. And I will make sure that I get this video up. I don't know exactly what day, but I'll make sure that I get it up by the 9th. So let me take off the lip oil. My lips are very hydrated now from that lip oil. It is so nice. I love their lip oils. So let's see what shade. They kind of look similar, but I think I'm going to go with a lighter shade. I think that would look better. This is blush, and they are roll up, which is very nice. And I know that this is a lip liner, but a lot of times I will wear my lip liner as my lipstick and be done with it. That's very pretty. They're very creamy. Very pretty, and it does go with this eye look very well. Very, very pretty. I really like that. Very easy to put on. And now I'm going to top it with some oil. I really do like this lip oil, y'all. So pretty. And the brush, not the brush, the applicator on this is like the one on their night oil. It's like a silicone. It has little bitty, very fine, like little bristles on it that grip the product, and it just feels so good when you put it on. Amazing. I really like that. That's very pretty. And so this is the final look. So what do you think? Is this fall or spring? Or maybe a little bit of both. The green just makes me think of spring. And even though this is like a berry fall type shade, it kind of reminds me of like flowers. And my grandmother had this tree in her yard. Gosh, I can't remember what it was called, but it smelled amazing. And in the spring, when it would bud, when the leaves and stuff would come out, it was kind of like this shade. It was amazing. So I really like it. And by the way, I did not do my brows. I colored my brows today. I used the Just for Men beard stuff. So if y'all are interested in me doing a video about that, let me know down in the comments. I appreciate you hanging out with me. If you have a little bit of extra time and would like to watch another video, I will suggest this video down here, especially for you. Okay. Love you. Bye.